So, me start having knee pain and me suspected arthritis. Me go straight to me doctor. Him send me go do a blood test to find out which one of the arthritis. And the blood test come back say me have a touch of osteoarthritis. Not the bad kind, thank God. He gave me pills, but said I don't need a repeat. Just rub a pain cream when it flares up. But the cream no work for me, and me tried different brands. None no work for me. So I used something my grandmother used to talk about, guinea hen weed. Me washed it, beat the leaves and root to make a poultice. Then me rub it on my knee, then me wrapped it with a gauze for about 5 hours or so, then and washed it off. It eased the pain. Me not take pills for the pain anymore. Me only use the guinea hen weed when the pain clap me. But a good while now, me no feel no pain. But remember, what works for me might not work for you. Always check with your doctor first. Me also avoid eating whole heap of tomatoes cause it triggers the pain. This is just my personal experience and your triggers might be different. And yes, I use AI in my videos. That doesn't make it less real. The story is still mine.